Yes, Massive and crew, we're back once again, and today we are searching some Akai samplers. I'm bringing you all the latest searches on eBay, bringing you up to speed, giving me my opinion on what samplers I think are worth it to buy on eBay in this day and crazy age. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to do a quick search for Akai sampler. Right, let's see what we got here. Alright, so oh, look at this. It's a Z4 for sale. This looks pretty cool. This is a, I think this is a, one of these samplers that are sort of stealth samplers. Probably a good buy. Quick deep dive into it, courtesy of planetgroove.com. The Akai Z4 is the world's first 24 to 96 kilohertz hardware-based sampler. Designed for professional audio production, the Z series sampler offers all advantages of dedicated hardware. Plus, the interface offers a Akai Sys PC Mac control and networking, so it works with the Akai Sys software. We could do a video on the Akai Sys software. I've also got that set up on one old school PC there if you want to see that in action. The Akai Z4 has been developed using the undisputed skills of the Akai's worldwide engineering teams in tandem, and the result is super sampler with the heritage S series, but incorporating operational features from the unique MPC range effects from the highly acclaimed PS16. Features 24-bit 96K operation, Q-Link knobs for real-time performance, automation of commonly performed sampling functions such as normalize and sample assignment, 36 pole resonant filters with special triple mode, whatever that is. New 2496 4-channel effects processor, quick effects for rapid sound manipulation, capable of up to 512 megabyte of onboard SRAM, so that's quite good, using off-the-shelf memory, so it doesn't even have to be Akai memory, USB host-slave connection, use of the one-off-shelf USB keyboards for easier naming of USB. So the USB is for the keyboard. Akai Sys software for computer control over USB, same as the S5000. 64 voice polyphony, dual independent LFOs with internal and external modulation control and MIDI clock sync. Balanced analog INOs providing full 24-bit 96 AD and DA conversion, sample rate conversion 2 stars below. I guess you got to look at that down below. Choice of analog or digital assignable multiple outputs. Sound library compatible with a wide range of Akai and other formats. Cool. FAT32 DOS. Format and WAV implemented as native format, so it takes WAV, AIFF as well. Z4 specifications, maximum polyphony 64, maximum memory could go up to 512 as we just said. Sampling frequency 44 to 48, 96, we said that. Backlight, dot graphic LCD, blah blah blah. So it looks pretty cool. I don't know much about the Z4, but look, it's got USB. It looks pretty high tech. 225, it says used. Let's see, Akai Z4 1624 sampler, used with age related marks, which is nothing, but it's fully working. 512 of RAM, no effects, no digital, no IR, standard Z4. 225. Guy's not accepting offers. He might. Don't know much about the Z4. Comment down below. At the moment, I'm kind of looking for a S1100 because I've got an S1100 on the bench there, and I feel it needs parts. So I'm kind of trialing and erroring it at the moment to see what happens. Okay, so this is a S1000 MIDI sampler. Let's have a look at this. Good use condition. Has the marks of age. Okay, that's fair enough. Be nice to see the back. Okay, so guys, it's got no SCSI. As you can see, he's ripped the SCSI out, and he's probably sold that separate. So you're going to have to fork out on a SCSI card, which will probably set you back about, I don't know, 150 or maybe cheaper, who knows, 50 quid or whatever. So it's kind of priced a little bit on the high side, because then you've got to spend a bit of money on it. It would have been nice to see the screen as well. See, the screen's dark, you can't see if the screen's lit up, so you can't really see the vibrancy of the screen to see whether it's, you know, it needs a replacement or not. So that one I'd be a bit dubious at that price, I think. You got, look here, you got a S2000, 40 quid, 0 bids, 4 days to go, worth a watch. Let's see where that's going. Akai S900 classic 12-bit. Look at that, buy it now, 800. Bloody hell, that's going up. That's going sky high, man. Let's see what else. Here, this don't look too bad. Here, Akai S3000 XL, loaded with maximum RAM. There you go. And look at that screen. It's popping. All right, it's got a few little, you know, blemishes on the case and stuff. Let's have a look at the back. And this sampler mostly comes with SCSI and everything. Look, you've got your SCSI port. This one looks pretty much game, set and match. Put an HXC emulator in there. Away you go. Pretty easy fit. And it's taking offers as well. So you could probably, you know, get it even cheaper. So that's definitely a good buy there. What else we got? S5000 V2. Yeah. Let's see what this is. Mint condition. Bloody hell. With the USB as well. 300 quid. Seems like a fair deal, guys. It would have been even better if it had all the outputs. But look, it's got the SCSI board. That SCSI board is about 140 quid on its own. So the sampler, you know, would probably set you back about, I don't know, raw bones, maybe 250. So that looks alright. It's a good buy. Bloody hell, look at this one. £550 Akai S1000 with new backlight and a card reader. Oh, so he's loaded that up with the SCSI to SD. So, you know, he's put his price on it according to what's going on. And the screens look pretty popping. So, wait, 550 if you really wanted it that bad. It looks like a go. Right, let's have a look at some Akai S1000 parts now. S1100 parts, because I really need really need to get a few parts, man, for my sampler. Let's see what's out there. Okay, so memory, you're looking at 8 megabyte, 150, crazy. You got another guy selling 2 megabyte boards, 55 each, probably do a deal. Holy crap, look at this one. S1100. Look, with SCSI, SMPTE, everything. He wants 1100 quid, but that's from some United Arab Emirates, so I'm not sure if I would purchase that. It's got a long way to travel, and yeah, probably not for me. Let's see what else. So I've seen some other ones on here. How about, let's have a look for, oh, hang on, wait a minute. Look at this one. Whoa. Okay, so this one's got, it says never used. Check this out. A brand spanking new one. Make offers. Look at that. Mint condition. It's got SCSI cable. Different looking one. Manual, everything. Look, mint condition. Let's have a quick look at some of the other. Whoa. Yeah, this is decent. Look, it's got the SCSI. It's got the SMPTE. Screen's working. That's decent. Let's have a look and see what else this guy's got for sale. See other items. Alright, so he's got an S1000 parts only. See, that's it says it needs a screen, I think. It says S1000 in good condition, not coming on from a studio in London. Open to offers. Sure, it's an easy fix. It's the last one. Okay, fair enough. Pity we can't see the back, but the fact that it's got no screen working, it could be a power problem or it could be a screen problem. My guess is a screen problem that they've tried to fix it. But if it's a screen problem and it's an easy fix, or it probably wasn't an easy fix because they pulled the front off. But anyway, in any case, you could probably get the screen, you know, chassis and all that for it. Maybe fit that. Might get lucky. What else has he got? He's got a S3000 sampler. Look at this. This is fully working. It's got that there. Lovely. Let's have a look. Oh my days. Look at the bottom of this. Hell no. Jeez. That's some rust there, man. So even if you was buying it to fix it up, you know, you'd have to find a way to get rid of all this rust. And has it rust all the way through? What does it say? It says Akai sampler, just like the MPC 3000, all good, just the body, not the best shade, open to offers. Okay, so he seems honest, the guy, and he's got good feedback, 100%. So it's probably worth, you know, his words probably is bond there, hopefully. Look, you've got 8 outputs, expansion, that'll work with the MPC and also with the S2000. And look, you can see here that he's used to stripping down samplers from the looks of it. So surely if he could have fixed that one real quick, you know, he surely, with the expertise to pull all this out, he must be able to know what's what. Bloody hell, look at all these snake cable. That's good looms for wiring and stuff. Okay, so he's got an S3200 XL here. That's the old school one. Right, have a look inside. Looks pretty clean. What's the deal? Parts not working. Akai S1100 in superb condition. Selling as is. Screen is blank. Open to offers. So it could be a power fault, or again, could be the whole screen mechanism. Chances are, could be maybe a cap gone on the power supply or something. I'm not sure. He's got 2 of them, and he's open to offers. So 200 is quite low for this kind of kit. I've got one of these 3200s here. You know, you get that for 150. Remember, bearing in mind, you've got 25 quid postage as well to think about. What else have we got? Hold on. We got, am I seeing right here? Akai S950 tax switches, 50 quid. Bloody hell. That's pricey, mate. Nah, come on. I'm sure you can get tax switches from AliExpress or something. Nah, look at this, look. My man's familiar with breaking down samplers, so surely, right, he must have been able to fix that other sampler there. Something a bit, little bit funky going on here. Let's have a look. 270 for the multi. Yeah, he's got the EB16 board. Bloody hell, that's pricey. What? S950 sampler knobs, 130 quid. Nah, man. It's like he's waiting for some knob to come and buy it. What's going on? 3 buttons for 130 quid. No, man. Come on, man. You can get knobs flipping online. Maybe not exactly the same knobs for flipping pennies, man. Nah. You know them ones, right? When you're in a store, right? If you see one thing that's superly overpriced, you just walk out the store, don't you? And that's one of them kind of off-putting ones, man. Damn. S3200 memory boards, 2 megabyte, 25 quid. Yep, that seems like a snatch. Pre-owned. What else we got? Roland S sample library. Got some Akai S950 buttons there. Yeah, definitely breaking it all up, man. Surely you must be able to trial and error like Lego all these parts. S1000 sampler is 80 quid. Ouch. Damn. There's an AES board for the 1100. This is the word clock and SMPTE and whatnot have you, I think. 150. Boy, I'll tell you what, sampler parts are getting quite expensive these days, man. So, well, I think that's going to be a wrap for today, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely do more eBay scouting, and we'll go from there. Look, this is a good deal. Look, I am eager, parallel port. I know it's a parallel port, it's not SCSI. I wonder if you could use these to look at old zip drives, but I think most of these softwares run on SCSI, man. They only see like translate and all that. Will only see SCSI, not parallel. But anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. God bless. Peace out.